Hey guys, it's Nash and Joe. Today we're in Riverview and we're doing a deck drain clean out and a deck drain cap installation as well. Everybody always likes these, I don't know why. Probably because they're filthy and satisfying or whatever. These are probably our least favorite because they're filthy. But nonetheless, we're getting it done. You can see this deck drain here. There's nowhere to go. It's all sand outside. So it's filling the whole channel drain. And along here on this corner, it gets a lot worse. You can see the sand's built up all the way through. Every time it rains, the sand floats up endless straight into the channel drain, completely clogging it. Might take a while doing it this way. Hopefully we can get it cleaned out. We're gonna install some drain caps, show you how to do that, and then we're gonna flush the system with our bullet nozzle. Now, a lot of these channel drains here in Florida, on the older houses, they only have about an inch to an inch and a half wide of a channel drain. Not sure why that ever became a thing. They should at least be two to three. The amount of rain we get in Florida, I mean, you gotta think gutters are 4 to 6 inches, so why are these channel drains so small? Don't work too well keeping up with water, but if water's sitting here, it will release if the channel drains are clear. So that's what we're trying to get it back to. Basically, these drain caps, we're going to cut out a slot with our template here. It's going to leave an opening to drop in, number one, our jetter, but two, a garden hose, so our client can keep this drain cleaned out in the future. Every couple weeks or months, they can drop in a hose and flush the line themselves. Caps will just snap right in. Pretty simple. All we're going to do is trace it out, cut it with a Dremel. All right, deck drains are cut. Now we just need some exit holes before we finish this flush. And you can see this is a solid root. It's grown in there and started growing up through the channel drain. Not sure if we'll be able to get this side out. Gonna try to drill it out and see. All right, time for the messy part that everybody likes. All that dirt, sand, debris buildup is coming back out here and out the filter grates. We'll just jet it a couple times. After we do this, we'll just rinse the top down to the edge. Good thing about this drain system, after we've flushed it down this way, looks like it's got good slope. You can see the water moving from this way right here, which is the bad spot because that side's blocked up. But it looks like it's going uphill that way anyways. So really all this water's coming in here. Catch basins are the channel drain sitting a little high, but it comes in here, goes down and out. A lot of stuff? A lot of stuff? Yeah. It gets pretty far though. Leave it right there. cleaned up out here. This side we were not able to get out that true, unfortunately. We blended it up a little bit so some water can pass through. All we did was lift up this little frame right here just so we could get all this excess sand and dirt out to clean up quicker. But the water is flowing through the channel drain now. See, it's not pooling like it was. Flows real well out that side. Pretty simple. Whenever we're putting these back in, they got little grooves. Slide it down, pops into place. Ready to go. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our other videos on our channel about exterior drainage. Until next time, catch y'all later.